this is Kitchen Remodel Date 8. Today all the kitchen almost done except LED light. The appliances are working. We test the hood. We also test the cooktop. And refrigerator is running pretty good. The water is also running pretty good. All the crown molding for the cabinet looks good, and the dishwasher also running very good. I tried to think about how to put all my dishes and pots into the cabinet, and so far I haven't figured out exactly how. That will come later. Right now I'm just happy that the kitchen is almost done. Tomorrow will be the last day of kitchen remodel, and the small working room will also be almost done. I will make a separate video for that. The Lazy Susan is not turning very smooth yet. We should fix that tomorrow. And some of the corner in the Lazy Susan is so difficult to reach. I wasn't expecting that. I'm very happy. The kitchen looks just like the plan, and the execution was excellent. The lights has been changed. Cannot wait to see everything finished tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.